Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the JBL Wave Beam 2 and your iPhone. This matters because a low battery can interrupt pairing. Once the speaker is on, press and hold the Bluetooth button until the LED flashes or you hear the pairing prompt. That puts the speaker into discoverable mode. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and stay on that screen. Keeping it active lets the phone detect new devices immediately, which speeds pairing and avoids timeouts. Once the speaker is discoverable, watch the Bluetooth list on your iPhone. You will see JBL Wave Beam 2 appear under other devices. Tap that name. You do this to request a secure connection. The phone negotiates profiles for audio and controls. After you tap, listen for a connection tone from the speaker and watch the LED become steady. If the iPhone asks to pair, tap Pair. There's usually no PIN, but confirming ensures the device trusts the speaker for future automatic connections. With the speaker connected, make sure audio routes correctly. Swipe to Control Center, tap AirPlay, and pick JBL Wave Beam 2 so calls and media use the speaker. Once paired, the iPhone will auto-reconnect when Bluetooth is on and the speaker is powered. If something goes wrong, reset the speaker by holding power and Bluetooth buttons per the manual, toggle Bluetooth on the iPhone, then repeat pairing. This reset clears stale profiles and resolves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.